Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. I am always looking for phone cases that will not only protect my phone, but look pretty at the same time. When I found this phone case, I fell in love immediately. Not only is this phone case super pretty, but it also allows me to see the color of my phone underneath so that it just jazzes up that case just a little bit. I love that this phone case isn't too flimsy so that I know it's going to protect my phone in case I drop it. I love that this phone case has little lips by the camera and as well as on the screen so that if you were to drop your phone, it would protect your phone all around. So if you're looking for a phone case that is not only very pretty, but also protects your phone, check this one out. But that's my point of view.